If you need to request a refund for purchase related to Google Calendar, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check the purchase details. Review your transaction history to confirm the purchase date, amount, and the specific service or subscription you are seeking a refund for. Step 2. Visit Google Support. Go to the Google Support website and navigate to the section related to Google Calendar or the specific service you used. This will provide you with the necessary information and options for refunds. Step 3. Sign into your account. Log into your Google account associated with the purchase. This is crucial as you will need to verify your identity and transaction details. Step 4. Submit a refund request. Locate the refund request form or contact option. Fill out the required information, including your purchase details and the reason for the refund request, and submit it. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, monitor your email for a response from Google Support. They will inform you of the status of your refund request and any further actions needed. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process for Google Calendar. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for updates from Google Support.